Supplements promising faster muscle growth, more strength, and better workouts are everywhere. One product getting attention is the core strength supplement. But is it a legit workout booster or just exaggerated marketing? Let's break it down. So, core strength supplements are typically marketed as performance enhancing formulas that claim to improve muscle growth, energy, endurance, and recovery. Some versions contain ingredients like amino acids, creatine, herbs, or vitamins that are supposed to help athletes train harder and recover faster. Some ingredients commonly used in these products can have benefits. Compounds like creatine or amino acids may help support strength and muscle recovery when combined with resistance training. Protein based formulas can supply essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. So, the basic idea behind workout supplements isn't completely unrealistic. But here's where caution is important. Many core strength supplements don't have product specific clinical trials proving they actually deliver the dramatic results advertised. Some marketing uses overstated claims like rapid fat loss or testosterone boosts without solid evidence. Viral ads sometimes rely heavily on testimonials or dramatic storytelling rather than real science. So is the core strength supplement legit? It's probably a standard workout supplement, not a miracle product. Some ingredients may support training, but real strength gains still come mainly from consistent workouts, nutrition, and recovery. The bottom line, core strength supplements may offer basic nutritional support, but the big transformations you see in ads are mostly marketing exaggeration, not guaranteed results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.